How do we even speak of Ate Guy without feeling an ache in our chest? Sinalamin niya ang bawat isa sa atin. Dahil sa angking galing at kabutihan sa kapwa, minahal siya. Nakalagay dito ng maraming Pilipino. Papalitan ko yan. Minahal siya ng lahat ng Pilipino. Bawat pelikula, bawat kanta, bawat palabas sa telebisyon, inaabangan, pumipila para manood ng sine, dinumog, lahat ng mga noranya. Ang kinang ng isang superstar ay hindi kailanman kukupas. Her list of accolades is extensive. International awards from Europe to Africa, maraming famous Gawad Uriang Metro Manila Film Festival, Luna Star Award, famous Hall of Fame siya, named as National Artist for Film and Broadcast Arts, and rightfully so. Whether in Himala, which was incidentally filmed dun sa harap, actually sa harap ng bahay namin, sa Ilocos Norte, yung Sand Dunes doon, that's where it was filmed. Or sa tatlong taong walang Diyos, Ate Guy looked into our eyes and pierced our souls and said, ito ay kung sino tayo bilang mga Pilipino. And again, having been able to know, well, you know, there was a time where I had to choose whether to be a Vilmanian or a Marinian. So, hindi pa ginagamit yung salitang malimbing na ako. I have another story about Donna Honor. When the first birthday I spent as the son of the president, 1965, my 8th birthday was my first birthday spent here, downstairs. It was my birthday party. This girl came and sang for us. And of course, you're a 7-year-old kid, you're not thinking about it. So this girl sang for us, it was great, she was wonderful. But later on, we'd start seeing her on TV. And sabi ko, hindi ba yan yung kumanta dun sa party ko? Oo, yan, si Nora Honor. And that's the first time I met her. But then, since then, of course, we ran into each other all the time. We would see each other at dinners, we would see each other at events. And always, I think that Pinoys immediately felt a connection with her. I don't know what it is. It's like one of those intangibles that special people have. It's really, there are no words for it. But every person that she performed in front of, every person that saw a film that she made, immediately felt a connection. This could be my cousin, this could be my sister, this could be my girlfriend, this could be that was, yun ang quality ni Nora. Yun talagang Ate Guy. At saka, I was, during the week, I was talking to Tirso, and I said, oh, ito, Guy and Pip, ito yung Guy and Pip talaga from the time. And this is still how we remember her, as starting from a young girl, the charm of a Filipina, and that came across. But she had the talent, she had the particular skill to communicate that in her song and in her films. And that's why, once again, we honor her today. These women, they illuminated our consciousness. They taught us who we are and who we could become. So to the families of the awardees, thank you for sharing them with us. What they contributed to the country cannot even be realized, and certainly cannot be paid back. But we will remember and we will pass it on. Sa ating mga kababayan, naway paalala sa atin ng gabing ito na ang sining at kultura ay hindi lamang bahagi ng ating mga nakaraan. Hinuhubog din natin ito ang ating pagkakakilanlan at nagbibigay inspirasyon sa ating patungo sa mas maunlad na kinabukasan. To glory, to to Margarita, to Pilita, to Nora. It seems very little, but the best we can do. Maraming salamat po. Live on in every artist who takes the risk, in every child who has fond dreams, and every citizen who wishes to let the world know what it means to be a Filipino. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang kultura.
Maraming salamat, Mr. President. Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed to the next part of the program, please do enjoy the merienda we prepared for all of you this afternoon. We will be back.